Search on hostinger.com, click on my account. It will redirect to the Hostinger page. So if you have already account, like you can log in with username and password. If you don't have, like click on login with Gmail. So it will show. Then log in with your account. Once it is done, click on the websites section. So here we have three plans like web hosting, cloud hosting, and agency hosting. So as of now, web hosting is enough for our SEO project. So here also we have three options: single web hosting, premium web hosting, business web hosting. So here single web hosting means like they will only provide create only one website. If we choose this plan, so we can create up to 25 websites. So here we can create 50 websites and we have like multiple features. Like if we select this, like um, you will get free domain also, free domain, free CDN, like bandwidth, SSL. So features are good. Like click on select. So I'm going with this plan. Okay. So we have multiple options like 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, and 48 months. So I'm going with 12 months. So click on choose payment. So for website live, we need domain name and hosting name. So I'm purchasing now hosting. So this hosting plan gives you one free domain, like that will be best actually. So here we don't have an option to add a coupon code. Click on back step and click on select. Here we have an option add coupon. So click here and go to the Google and search Hostinger coupon codes for Hostinger or hosting and coupon codes like that. Open any website and check for coupon codes. So if it is working, then yeah, it is working. Yeah, 262 rupees or minus. So click on choose payment. This page will redirect to the payment page. You can choose like credit card, UPI, or PayPal, whatever your flexible method you can use. I am going with UPI. Then after payment, it will redirect to this page. Like click any option. Like if you create website for yourself, click on myself. Otherwise, click on someone else. Like I am creating website for my own. Like I am clicking next. So otherwise, like you can click yes, skip. So you can create like uh, administrator cpanel password. It will ask cpanel password to create. Can create your end. Click on next. You create blank website. You have one free domain available. See here, after buying the hosting, like they will providing one free domain. Na? So here we can buy that free domain. So I'm buying this domain. So 1 year free. So click on next. So click on next step. So here for domain also purchasing done.